API developers can publish API to API Gateway and Developer Portal and secure them using API Connector Manager. Let me show a quick demo. This is the NGINX Management Suite homepage. Let me go inside the API Connector Manager module. On the left, you will see two tabs, Infrastructure and Services. Let me go to the Services tab. Here, API developers can create multiple workspace. To create a new one, click Add, mention the name of the workspace, and also can provide workspace contact information. Then click Create. Once the workspace is created, go inside the workspace. Here, API developers can create multiple API proxies to publish API to developer portal and API gateway. To create a new one, click Add Proxy, mention the name of backend service, enter the service target host name, select the target transport protocol, enter the service target port, enter the API proxy name. If you have OpenAPI spec, click Yes and you can upload it here. If you don't have one, click No and proceed. Then select the API gateway host name, and if you want to publish developer portal, select that and select the developer portal host name and click Publish. Within few clicks, you can publish the API to developer portal in API Connector Manager. Then, if the publication is successful, you can see the job status as success. Then, to secure API with policies, go to the Action tab here and click Edit Proxy. On the left, you will see three tabs: Basic, Advanced, and Portal Config. Under Advanced tab, you can select the policy or to secure the API. To name a few, there are access control routing policy, ACL IP restriction policy, API key authentication policy, JSON policy, OAuth 2 policy, and rate limiting policy. And also, you can select the status of the API like latest, active, deprecated, or retired. Then after selecting that, you can save and publish. To verify that the API is published to developer portal, go to the developer portal and go to the API tab. Here you can see that API is published to the developer portal. This concludes the demo.